1. Know when your garbage collection day is. Change your garbages and get it all to the curb the day before. This will prevent damage to the bags/cans from weather, animals, and anything else that might rip, topple, or destroy the garbage. 2. Have bags handy. You can buy garbage bags from a store specifically fitted for almost any size trash container. Find the brand and size you like. Usual sizes include tall, short, kitchen, or can varieties. 3. Get the old, full bag out of the container. If the bag has drawstrings, handles, or anything else to grab onto, pull gently on them, as to not spill any of the contents over the sides. If the bag won't come out, pull with a little more force, or hold down the bin so that it's not off the floor. 4. Replace the bag. Open it by unfolding it, then open the top. Catch air in the bag by waving it around, which will open it the rest of the way. Slide in the bag, and fold the top of the sides over the lid of the bin to hold it in place. Replace any covering you may have on top of the bin. 5. Repeat these steps on any other garbages you may have in your house. 6. Take all these bags out to a master can, such as a large can. 7. Take the trash out to the curb. If your master bins use a bag, remove it using the steps above. Carry it or the whole can itself to the curb. 8. Put a new bag in your cans if necessary. If you took out the whole can, remember to put it back to wherever you store it, garage, shed, outside, etc. After the garbage collectors are gone,